just installed a new exhaust on the Sportster, like slash cut, chopper style with baffles. I haven't started her up yet. Should we see how it sounds together? I've gone chopper style today. I've extended the forks again, taken off the front mud guard, got like a big twin style air filter, gone back to the mid controls, put the sissy bar back on, put the skinny apes back on. Let's start her up, see how she sounds. I'm hoping she's not going to be as loud as them big old wide ones.
One eternity later.
Morning guys, I am on my way to Goldtop for the British Classic bike meetup. I know that's not a British Classic, but we're going to ride over there in the sunshine and catch all the beautiful British Classic bikes, Triumphs, BSAs, Royal Enfields. Going to catch up with the guys from the Old Boot Bikers as they're heading up there too, and we're just going to have a nice day overall. The sun is shining. The bike is running fantastically. Life's good. Made it to Goldtop. It's very busy. Let's go have a look around.
How you doing? Hey, good, thanks, you alright?
Still at Goldtop, enjoying the great turnout. Good coffee too. think it's time to get home. That sounds good. Yeah, time to shoot off. Really, really cool turnout here. Gonna take a slow ride back home, the nice country roads, and yeah, just enjoy this lovely sunny Sunday.
A few moments later.
Just got back from Goldtop. What a lovely, lovely day that was. Goldtop British Classics meetup. Some awesome bikes there. Really, really beautiful bikes there. Some really cool people. Cool fashion, cool style there. Really good event. Lovely to see some familiar faces up there. Had some great chats with people. Just a good time all round. And Goldtop, their products are absolutely stunning. Still saving up to buy one of their jackets, but yeah, some lovely products there. Gonna be a short video today, I think. Not sure I've got loads of content, but tried to film all the beautiful bikes as much as I could. I'm gonna go make a coffee on my new coffee machine, and I'll end this one here. So if you're into coffee, stick around. I'll quickly make one on the new machine so I can show you. But if not, like, subscribe now, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Guys, I've got to show you this. This is my new machine. It's called a Meraki Espresso. It's got the built-in grinder, built-in scales to the grinder, built-in scales to the espresso, and dual boiler, so I can steam, pour my espresso at the same time, on demand. Super powerful. Got a temperature probe in there, so it knows how hot your milk is. Got all sorts, everything. So I've just grinded out 18 grams of beans, and I'm going to bang a lot of espresso in, but I need 2 hands, so 2 secs. Grams of freshly ground coffee in there. Bang it in there. Grab a cup. Brew. Let's watch it come out. Look at that beautiful espresso. And that will stop at 36 grams because it's got a built-in scale. Hopefully it takes around 30 seconds. And then I'll go get some milk and steam for a little flat white. That's looking good. Perfect. 29 seconds, 36 grams. Espresso. So quick and powerful. Got a dedicated boiler for the steam. So it's a dual boiler, dedicated boiler for the espresso, dedicated boiler for the steam. It's not a sponsored ad or anything. I wish it was sponsored, because one of these machines is probably as much as a Royal Enfield Interceptor. But worth every penny. See that? Can you see that? Alright, catch you in the next one, guys. Cheers.